Today we're exploring a crucial topic: Wi-Fi hacking. From understanding how it happens to learning how to protect yourself, we've got you covered. I divided this video into 4 parts. First is very important and last is my own technique, so don't skip. Wi-Fi hacking is the act of, what the, no boring discuss. There are various methods hackers use to break into Wi-Fi networks. Let's take a closer look at the most common techniques. The common Wi-Fi hacking techniques. First we have packet sniffing. This involves intercepting data packets traveling over a network. Tools like Wireshark are often used for this purpose. The next is man-in-the-middle attacks. Here the hacker inserts themselves between the victim's device and the Wi-Fi network, capturing sensitive information. Third, brute force attacks. Hackers use software to repeatedly guess passwords until they gain access. Weak passwords make this method particularly effective. Lastly, my technique, and it's work 100%. Type this, then show others Wi-Fi name, and then again type these. Copy and paste the target Wi-Fi name. Type these and finally password found. There are steps you can take to protect yourself. Use strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi network. Regularly update your router's firmware. Turn off network name broadcasting if not necessary. If you want to upgrade your hacking skills, you must use 5 hacking gadgets. Do you know this? If no, click this video. See you here.